Because Melissa, lots of people are tuning in right now. They need to know what's happening with the weather.
Yeah, a lot going on. We have a 1-2 punch with this storm. We made it through the first round last night. That was the high winds and the heavy rain. Most of those winds actually starting to taper off, but you can see that rain continues for all of western Oregon, also for western Washington, and then this is all changing over to snow when you head up toward the passes. Not until you get up to about 4,000 feet here, but those snow levels, they're going to come crashing down as we head into the second half of the day. Also overnight was the high winds. Most of those again have tapered off, but take a look at these wind gusts. Very impressive. The highest in our area, Mary's Peak, 101 miles per hour. That's the same as what you would see with a Category 2 hurricane. Newport, 76 miles per hour there. Florence at 66. And then here in the valley, it's been anywhere between 45 and 55 miles per hour here along the I-5 corridor overnight. And then we've also seen some very strong winds up in the Cascades as well. In terms of rainfall, that's also been impressive over the past 24 hours, picking up over an inch in Corvallis, about 8/10 in Eugene, and about half an inch in Roseburg, anywhere from half an inch to an inch along the coast. And for central Oregon, most of that rain is actually changing over to snow. We're seeing between 2 and 4 inches there. The snow just starting in Sisters, but it's been snowing for quite some time here overnight down near Sun River. So the warm front, that was responsible for the winds. Here's the area of low pressure. You can see that's pretty far to the north of us. It is a very deep, strong low pressure, though, and so that's why those winds have also been so strong. Now, the second part to this storm is the cold front. That's what's moving through here this morning. As we see this progress to the east throughout the day, those temperatures are really going to start to drop. We'll continue to see showers off and on all day and all night, and then we're going to see a pretty unstable air mass as we head into Tuesday as well. So that means big snow for the Cascades. In fact, they're under a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. We're looking at an additional 6 to 12 inches of snow up there. That'll bring the storm total to 2 to 3 feet. You add wind gusts of 65 miles per hour to that, and we're talking those visibilities quickly dropping to less than a quarter of a mile. So very treacherous road conditions. If you're headed that way, you need to be very careful and just don't travel over the passes today if you can help it. Now for the foothills, they're under a winter weather advisory between 1,500 feet and 2,500 feet through 6 p.m. We are looking at an additional 2 to 4 inches of snow. They are also pretty breezy conditions for you through this afternoon. So for the coast today, your highs are going to be in the mid to upper 40s. Again, the strongest winds have ended. It'll continue to stay windy with gusts up to about 40 miles per hour all day. And then you also want to watch out for that high surf. We do have a high surf warning in effect for very dangerous waves, high seas, and then that surf condition there on the beaches. So stay away from that. And then we'll continue to see rain all week, highs in the mid 40s. Overnight lows in the upper 30s and low 40s. For the Umpqua Basin, mid 40s today for you. You'll continue to see those showers, breezy conditions as well. Tonight, we're going to see that snow level drop down to about 500 feet. You are under a winter storm watch because we could start to see some light snow down near Roseburg with accumulating snow as soon as you head up into the hills. Highs only getting into the upper 30s. We'll likely see a wintry mix all day, and then that'll all change back to rain on Wednesday. The Cascades, again, we'll see that snow level at about 2,500 feet this morning. Highs in the mid-20s. For those of you in central Oregon, you're looking at 1 to 4 inches. Some pretty gusty winds there as well. And then you'll continue to see light snow showers off and on all week. And for the valley, highs will be in the mid-40s today. Scattered showers staying pretty breezy through this afternoon. We'll also see that wintry mix starting tonight as that freezing level drops to about 500 feet. It'll be that wintry, sloppy snow rain mix all day Tuesday, and then Wednesday switching back to rain showers.